And this is Judy from pursuitoffunctionalhome.com, and I already put moisturizer and primer on my face. So I am using Bobbi Brown Cream Foundation. It's a new foundation. I just bought it last week. So I'm just gonna get some and then dab it on my face, concentrating on the dark areas. I am using my Silky Girl Blockbuster palette, and this one doesn't have names, so it only has A, B, C, D, and then the lightest is A. So I'm just gonna put it under my eyebrows. Then the second one, I'm gonna put it on my brow bone, just above the crease there. So looking at straight to your mirror, so there, just above the crease, and then moving towards the inner corner, and then just going to use my blending brush, and then you're gonna just blend it so that there will be no harsh lines. And then I'm using the third eyeshadow, and then I'm going to put that all over my eyelids. Okay, I'm using my blending brush again, so I'm just gonna blend it towards my brow bone, from the crease to my brow bone, and then from my outer corner of my eyes. And then using this small brush, I'm using the last eyeshadow, the darkest of all. So I'm just gonna put it at the outer V of my eyes to give my eyes more depth. And again, I'm just going to blend it so that there will be no harsh lines and the transition of each eyeshadow is seamless. Towards the 3/4 of my eyes, and then I'm using the C eyeshadow, and I'm gonna extend that to my lower lash lines to give that smoky effect. And then using a black eyeliner, I'm gonna line the inner lower lash lines of my eyes. Then using a fan brush to remove the excess eyeshadow, and I'm using Bobbi Brown corrector in peach. So if you have dark circles like mine, so it's good that you put corrector first before your concealer, especially if you have purplish greenish dark circles. And yeah, so it's good to correct it first before putting your concealer, so you may see the difference, right? So I am using Body Shop concealer. I'm just gonna dab it on top of my dark circles, and I'm using Everbalena powder. So I'm just gonna set the foundation and the concealer, and then I'm using Maybelline crayon pencil. So I'm just gonna line my eyebrows, and I'm using, I don't know the brand of this liquid eyeliner. So I'm just gonna line for my lashes. I'm using Falsies Maybelline mascara, and to finish the look, I'm going to add fake lashes from Maybelline also. This is for Asian size. I had a hard time putting on the lashes, and as you know, practice makes perfect. So I don't usually wear fake lashes, so it was a challenge. So now I'm going to put blush on my cheeks. See, I'm using Fashion 21 Duo blush on. So the color is, there's a coral and pink. So these are pretty blushes, and I'm just going to line my lips using my NYX lip liner in pink. So by putting a lip liner, this will make your lipstick last longer. And I'm using Maybelline Fuchsia Ever lipstick. And now I'm just going to put highlighter on my cheekbones and my nose and my cupid's bow and chin. So this is to give a healthy glow to your skin. So I'm using Everbelena powder to set everything, and this is the final look. So if you like this look, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So everything that I use in this video, I'm going to put a list down everything in my blog, pursuitoffunctionalhome.com, in beauty section. And hope to see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.